Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a checkbox alert dialog in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomepage. This is the myHomepage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomepage_state. This is _myHomepage_state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we call the show alert dialog function. This is the show alert dialog function. Here we will design the alert dialog. We will display 3 checkboxes in the alert dialog, so we have used 3 Boolean variables to set their check status. Here we design the alert dialog. This is how we design the first checkbox and its title. For this, we use a row widget. In the row, we first use the checkbox widget, then a text widget. We have enclosed all such 3 rows inside a column widget so that all the checkboxes would be placed one below another. This is the second checkbox design. And this is the third checkbox design. In the end, we show 2 buttons, Cancel and OK. This is the Cancel button. And this is the OK button. When these buttons are clicked, we close the alert dialog. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a checkbox alert dialog in Flutter Android. Thank you.